Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if some of the keys are not working on your Windows laptop or computer. Now, this usually happens due to temporary glitches. So, the first thing you need to do is perform a hard reset. To do this, first press and hold the power button to turn off your laptop completely. Then, disconnect the charger and all other peripheral devices connected to your laptop. Now, press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds. This will drain all the excessive power. After this, reconnect the charging cable to your laptop and press the power button to turn it back on. If your laptop keys are still not working, and you can't sign in, click this accessibility icon on the lock screen and enable the on-screen keyboard toggle. Then, enter your PIN or password to sign in. Once you're in, right-click on the Start icon on the taskbar. Then, select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, double-click on Keyboards to expand it. Now, right-click on your keyboard. Then, select Uninstall Device. Select Uninstall to confirm. After this, restart your laptop or PC and check if the issue is resolved. If not, open the Settings app on your PC. Now, select the Accessibility tab on your left. Then, go down to the Interaction section and click on Keyboard. Here, disable this Filter Keys option. Lastly, go to the Windows Update tab and install any pending updates. Once you do, your keyboard should start working again. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.